Just pulled up. Yeah. What do we got?
So our good friends at Intech Racing hooked us up with N1 dampers from Apexi.
Sick.
I don't know if you remember, that's exactly the same dampers I had on my Civic Build.
Oh.
When I say build,
Oh, yeah.
all I had is wheels and suspension.
Wheels and suspension.
Ooh, instructions.
Oh, snap.
Oh, dude, I like the red color a lot.
That's nice.
I feel like there's going to be a day and night difference from your freaking $200 eBay.
Absolutely.
So, yeah,
Dude, those are sick.
adjustable.
The whole thing is red.
Yeah.
That's nice. Very nice. That looks like what?
Oh.
That's the rear right there.
So it comes with it doesn't come with individual shock and spring, right? So you just.
It's just full coil.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be easy install.
Yeah, and then that's the fronts. The fronts are a little harder, but.
Dude, I'm excited.
Oh, even got hardware. Nice.
6 kilograms and 10 kilogram spring.
6K and 10K?
6 and 10, yeah.
We should go full stiffness.
No, hell no.
Why not?
You can run full stiffness on your eBays.
Full stiffness on the toes.
We'll start medium. I don't know. Are they 16 click adjustment or what?
It should say. So on the $200 coils, I started adjusting it. And so I click all the way to the right, and I'm going. And I'm going. And I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, waiting till I get to like 28 or whatever it was. I'm already like 40 clicks in, and it's still spinning. I'm like, you know what? I don't think that's working.
Oh, what about ride height? Are you like slammed on the?
On these?
Yeah.
Not all the way, but pretty close.
32.
32?
Yeah,
Sick.
and it shouldn't be clicking. Your cheap ass coils started clicking. Just don't click. 32.
These are nice, dude. These are real nice.
That's a lot of adjustment, man.
So what? Let's set it to like 20.
I'm going full soft right now.
Full soft is gonna be bad.
I mean, we can figure
Man,
that out later.
that looks wrong. You're like diddling these little coilovers. They don't look right.
Bro,
You're
you're about to be doing that when you after you drive them. You're about to get some weird action up and down on the way home.
Oh shoot!
All right, cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stop. All right, go. Start the timer, Johnny. I say hour and 30. We'll get it all installed. Gucci stuff. So excited. Doesn't he have impact?
I don't think so.
Please tell me you're not using $10 eBay special lug nuts. That's what I said. Bro, it's gonna be on there now. How does this come out?
System.
I'm not gonna cold defeat and YouTube it. I'm gonna figure it out myself.
Bruh. All right. Cha-ching. Garbage. Okay. What do you mean?
I can't well,
Which one? Got it. Can't tell which way is loose, which way is loading, and which way is... Done first.
After I had told you what to do.
Because I'm way better.
All right. Are we putting wheels on?
Yeah, but just tighten the lug nuts by hand tight, and that's it. We're gonna see the ride height. Oh, hold on. You should no. Before you do that, tighten the collars.
Nah.
No, because if it's good, I don't want to take the wheel back on just to tighten it.
Nah. Send it, baby.
You recording?
Oh, I was about to say, it's like we have like 6 inches of clearance.
No, we're not all the way down yet.
Oh, we're good.
There we are.
Functional fitment.
Not
Not
a
bad.
monster truck, bro.
It's not bad.
It needs to settle.
I mean, you can adjust everything.
I'll adjust it another
Episode 4.
day. Yeah.
Adjusting suspension.
No, this is what I actually want to check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it? Is that good? Is that better? Can we?
What do you mean? It's
Let's stiffen it.
Let me see. He's gonna ride like a freaking champ.
Yeah.
You can already tell.
Anymore.
You have to take the speakers on in order to install a coilover.
Yeah.
As far as gain.
This speaker doesn't work anyway, so we can just... I mean, it works. The wire just doesn't work.
Okay. The wire doesn't work. How does the wire doesn't work?
Like, the wiring is...
Speaker works, but the wire doesn't
Because
work.
I put this speaker on that side and it worked.
What?
It's just the left side wiring doesn't work.
What?
What was that? Sounded like my car.
Nah, this thing's gonna run.
Some other piece of crap.
I'm just excited for S15s. Right hand drive, grinding gears because you can't shift with your left hand. You know what I'm saying? Switching wipers on every time you try to show a turn signal. Yeah, good stuff. Good
right.
life. Give me the 15.
Shut up. This toxic workplace.
Well, first of all, get a shorter one.
Shorter?
Hold on. Who tightened this anyways?
Me.
Why?
I'm strong. I'm helping.
Whoever tightened this is a bitch. Roll that buff out. Dude!
That scratch wasn't there.
Do you know what righty tighty is?
Was that loose?
My bitch.
I was loosening it.
My
You just did that. What'd I say? I said we'd be done at 6.
Sounds, this is wrong.
Oh, why are you jerking my sip?
Are you gonna take it out?
I did this.
There you go. I did this. This is my 4th one, and I can't.
You know, it'd be nice if they put like an arrow on it.
Right?
Or
Dude,
something.
let's start our own humbled coilovers with the actual arrow that says.
Let's do it. And in the instructions, we tell you you have to take apart the entire suspension, but you don't. Oh, that's nice. That fits way better.
Bro, not even close.
Let's go. Exact same coilovers, just red. I have advents. I ain't no poser.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
That's pretty good. That's nice. Oh, why is it so wet over there? Right now, we're just gonna go for the final test drive to check out how these new coils work. We still need to adjust the ride height, get the, get it exactly where we want it.
There we go.
Day in the life of a true Honda Gazer.
that? Is that not normal?
Anyway, let's move on.
Is it broken? Maybe if we just turn the stereo up louder.
All right. So, okay, first test. If you remember with the old coilovers, I could not drive into a driveway without scraping and bottoming out. So let's see.
Bottoms out test. Huh.
Oh yeah, mate. She's smooth in it. Feels good.
This is the neighborhood.
I ain't pushing it. Would you see that? That was a pretty tight turn. It was no problem. Automatic windows. Should I kill that bird? We would never kill birds on purpose. Down to the togue.
Trying to kill the squirrel once with my oil pan.
Kind of killing the vibe here. All right, let's do it.
Come on, man.
Much better already, right?
Yep.
I mean, last time it was terrifying.
Oh, it's still terrifying.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
I'm not enjoying this.
What do you mean? Wee-hee. Rev up the Bugatti. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh. It's wet.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Anytime I've crashed here, everyone has survived. You know what Subaru is backwards?
Urabus. You're a bus.
You're a bus. I will slow down a little because I really want to try the hairpin full lock. Not too fast, but obviously I don't want to be going grandpa pace. All right. But it feels good, right? Way better. I mean, we got two fully loaded dudes in the front. We're not bottoming out. We're not scraping.
Two buff dudes and no rubbing.
Sounds like a bad Friday night, if you know what I mean. Wow. I am impressed. Did you see that? That was pretty nice.
That was very nice.
All right. Back up we go. Does that say police department?
No.
It's soaking up the bumps really well.
This is where the RS3 flew off.
Yeah, this is where an Audi, an all-wheel drive Audi crashed. Look at that.
Quattro.
We're hitting 25.
27. Oh.
Feels good.
Yep.
Feels very good. This was definitely worth it. Hello, Mr. Utility Man. I would say if you're going to get coilovers, buy once, cry once. Get some good quality. Don't buy that eBay junk. It is not worth it. With the eBay coilovers, I did not want to drive this car at all. I just didn't enjoy it. It was not fun. You're just scraping, bumping every single turn. It feels insane. It feels dangerous. With these, this is the best handling car I've ever driven.
Ultimate driving machine.
Yeah, take your Bavarian machines elsewhere.
Time for a new transmission.
Yeah, probably. It's new engine, new transmission, everything. That's okay. We'll get that. Like even all these bumps here, right? It's stiff, it's bumpy, but it's not that bad. Soaks it up pretty well. But the most important thing is that the car feels like it's in control. I don't feel like I'm gonna bounce uncontrollably or unpredictably. I know exactly what the car is gonna do, and it feels great. It feels really good. So N1 dampers, Apexi, I don't know how you say it. I always say Apexi. What do you say?
Apexi.
Yeah.
Honestly surprised. Yeah, kind of handles on rails, no
Right?
sliding. Like,
And these are thin tires. They're
great
good.
grip, no rubbing, very stiff, but I feel like it's still really comfortable. All
It's
things
pretty comfortable.
considered.
I feel like if I just drove this like on a freeway, it wouldn't be that bad, honestly.
Yeah, road trip. Yeah,
And we're at 20 out of 32 on the stiffness, so we can go way softer to go for more comfort if we wanted to. That's the nice thing about damping control. You go to the track, you stiffen it up, you're going home, soften it, and
drive soft home.
you know, yeah. On the track, you want to be hard, but when you're just cruising, you want to be soft.
Yeah.
It just gets in the way. It's uncomfortable.
Yeah. What else is soft?
You don't need to spell it out for them. After this drive, I'm hard. I am cutting all of this.
Two stiff buff dudes.
Hey, that's
and-
my delivery guy.
Oh, you got more parts for you.
Oh, we do have more parts on the way. So stay tuned. We got more on the way. More suspension parts, more stiffness. You know how we like it here.